Hi there guys, it's Kennedy with ateamgaragedoors, and I'm here with our customer Petra Hahn. We had installed this new garage door for her earlier in October. How do you like your new door, Petra?
It's perfect. It works great. I'm so happy with it. It's so much better than our old door.
How was our service technician Brandon able to fulfill your specific needs to your garage door?
Brandon actually recommended going with 2 new doors. We had the smaller door on this side and the larger door over there, and he suggested we swap, and he was able to move a post over, and now I can park my vehicle with no issues. My garage backs up to an alley, making it really hard to pull the car in, and it's not even a problem anymore.
That's fantastic. We love to hear it. All right. And whenever it came to the initial contact, how quickly were we able to get out here for your estimate?
Same day, which I appreciated that as well.
Absolutely. All right. And how would you rate the promptness of the work being completed?
5 stars. Definitely 5 stars, because I live in, because my garage is in an alley. We have people that walk by, can see everything, and we wanted to make sure that the work was done quickly so that we didn't have any problems with theft, basically.
Fantastic. Were you offered any kind of discount?
I was. My husband is a 20-year career Marine and retired now, and they offered us a 5% discount.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for your service. All right. And whenever it came to today's problem, there happened to be some settling with her home, which we did mention might happen with the new garage door. It's a bit older, so there was some of the settling happening in it, and she had some issues, and she called us.
Called this morning, and they were out here a couple hours later.
So just to get you taken care of.
Very happy.
Would you recommend Ateam Garage Doors to your friends and family?
Yes, I would.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much, Petra.
Thank you.